3,
2.
action.
I'm Mimi.
I'm Jeff.
We're from New York City.
Woo!
So, we have a pure ball class and a ball swing class.
The Pure Bell class was focused on pivots. So we had forward pivots, we had back pivots. Let's just get into it.
Yeah.
So from our Pure Bell position, we can do forward pivots. Let's do a basic first. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, step, 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 step. Basically, just make sure that you can keep your feet as narrow as you can. You're also trying to step through.
Turn out your feet, and every time you step, you're also pivoting on that foot to keep that circular motion going.
We also turned the forward pivots into full-time pivots, so we'll just go straight into it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That one gets really dizzy really quickly.
Yep. Your heels don't hit the ground as much because it's faster, and use this connection a bit more.
We also had our back pivots. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Largely using the ball of your foot in order to really make those pivots possible. If you're putting your full foot down, everything becomes a lot more difficult.
Yeah. The footwork is a little bit different just because you're traveling a bit more. So think about opening more with one side and then closing with the other side.
And then bow swing. Bow swing.
Yeah.
We were largely doing moves that opened up with the right side for the leads, left side for the follows. I think it's best if we do it from this direction. So a normal toss up. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. We had our rolling in, rolling out feel.
5, 6,
7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. We had our rolling through. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And then we had our super cool, awesome helicopter feel. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 1. Or showing it from this direction too. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 1. Cool. That was a class.
Yay.
Thanks, everyone.